Hello from Golden Beach, or in Greek naming, Chrysi Akti. It's the name of this beach that's located just 2 kilometers away from Chania and 2.8 kilometers exactly to the old port in Chania. So probably one of the most popular beaches for the citizens of Chania, but also for tourists. It's quite huge, and the cloudy weather will not do justice to this beach, as the sun will shine a lot differently when it is sunny, as well as the sea, of course. Yes, 22nd of April. Currently it is 3:30 p.m. and 27 degrees Celsius in the air, so very warm despite being cloudy. And I was waiting for an hour now for the beach in order for waiting for the sun to come up, but that didn't happen, so I'm just gonna go and film it with clouds, as I'm yet to arrive in Chania from my walking adventure today. And there are 2 beaches left until I reach the city of Chania, so I'm gonna check them out as well. Yes, let's then get ready for the 5th beach adventure of today, 22nd of April. And you can see the city of Chania right there, the buildings and the houses. It looks very close, and from here there is a natural path that goes along the coast that's different from the car road that's not so far away either. So I'm at the very end of Golden Beach. I have been walking across the whole beach, as you have seen in the beginning. So let's then go in here. It is also sand inside as you enter, and there is even an interesting rock formation there that can be good for snorkeling around there. And you can see also the Coral Beach from here as well. And there's Chania right there. Alright, then let's get ready for a swim here in Golden Beach in Chania, Crete. Okay, let's go with the wave here. Alright. There was a big rock over there. It seems like the sun is on its way back now, so that's amazing. So wonderful. That's a wrap here from Golden Beach, this wonderful beach over here in Chania. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete.